You can certainly have some automated campaigns up and running in weeks, that's for sure. But realizing the full potential of data-driven marketing and marketing automation will take more than that for sure. You must probably think in a multi-year transformation process, and you are going to find challenges along the way that you need to pass. I mean, challenges like we were mentioning before, gaining access to the data is one of the most common one, but integrating your online banking and mobile app so you can open up the reach you have with your members and not being restricted to email or to text messages, and being able to really deliver personalized ads on the online banking and mobile app. Having the internal resources is as vital as having the tools for marketing automation. I mean, unfortunately, I have seen many cases where credit unions are underutilizing their technology capabilities because they are not investing in the same way in having the right human resources in place. So you need to have the team that is going, it's not that, I mean, it's not that marketing automation is easy. It's something that you need to invest up front to get the value afterwards and to get these campaigns up and running. And then, as we mentioned before, aligning everyone inside the organization is critical. I mean, getting this executive support is for me critical. I mean, that would be my summary in terms of the challenges regarding the implementation of a solution like this. And again, as you mentioned, it's important to start somewhere and to start now. I mean, that's for me, it's important. You need to look into where you have low-hanging fruits, where you have quick wins you can approach in an easy way and start building from there on. I mean, and then after you identify these quick wins and you implemented them, start iterating, iterate. I mean, figure out how to do small incremental steps to apply data to solve these specific member problems that you were mentioning before. We like to say, start small, but start now. This is like our motto, our phrase, our preferred phrase here. I mean, but start now. Yeah. I mean, because we see many cases in which we are like in this analysis paralysis scenario, in which because the problem is huge, the opportunities are huge, many credit unions end up like, think, okay, what should I do next? Start, do something.
Yes, just start.
Run your first campaign, then learn from it and run the second one, and then see what additional data you need and ask for that data to your data team. That's the way of doing things. That's at least from our experience. That is what works.
No, I love the just start. That's exactly the same mantra that we say over here from the education perspective. I think there's a couple of things that we have to be mindful of, and you really nailed it when you're talking about our talent, our people. As we bring data into the organization and we're using it to improve the members' lives, we are building up a data capability. Now, let's not freak out about that. And let's not be like, oh my gosh, I have to go get some sort of a, PhD in data science. No, we're building up. It's true. People do look at that. They're like, wait, what? A data capability. That means I'm getting comfortable with it. And you mentioned it. You're like, hey, how do we iteratively build that? Well, now to get a data capability, I have to have data confidence. Just start with that one campaign, see how it works, build up that confidence that I'm doing it right. And wow, I'm having this impact. And then you keep adding and adding. And all of a sudden you find yourself with a data capability. It's really important that we are mindful that that is huge and that it doesn't happen. You don't have to go off and get a PhD. You have to start. It's like that half marathon. You don't know if you can run it until you try. And then you figure out what you do and what you need to modify from.